This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Twitter as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered I have my desktop, but if you look right up this way, you see I have a little app named X. If I open that app, it opens up Twitter as a desktop app. You still have all the same features that you would normally have, but it is now an app. The way to do this, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is uninstall it though. This is a list of my installed apps. I'm going to go down to X. Right here is X. Twitter is now called X, but I'm going to uninstall this. And you could either use the Chrome web browser or you could use the Edge web browser. I'm going to start off with the Chrome browser. First thing you want to do is go to Twitter. You want to log into your account. Then you can go up to the upper right corner up to your address bar, and you should see a little icon here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Install X. If you click on that, a little pop-up will come up asking you if you want to install. If you don't see that little icon, you can go over to the the three-dot hamburger menu, click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. And then you'll go straight off to the left and down to where it says Install X. You would click on that. A little dialog box pops up asking you if you want to install. I'm going to cancel, and I'm going to go to the Edge web browser. The way to do it on Edge, very similar. You want to first go to Twitter. You want to log into your account. Then you can go up to the top up here, and in the address bar you should see a little icon that looks like this here. Put your mouse cursor over it. It says App is available, Install X. Or you could go off to the right side to the three-dot menu, click on that, go down to where it says Apps, and straight off to the left it says Install X. I'm going to click on Install X. A little dialog box pops up asking me if I want to install. I'm going to click on Install. Now the Twitter app opens up with another dialog box asking me where do I want to pin the icon, to the taskbar, to the start menu. Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? I'm going to go with create a desktop shortcut. You just have to use your own judgment on where you want it. Then I'm going to click on allow. And now Twitter is a desktop app. If I close this, here is my app right here. If I double click on it, it opens up Twitter as an app. That is how to install Twitter as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.